Hi everyone, and this is the video to show you the prize for the birthday and yes, celebrate YouTube 10,000 subscriber giveaway challenge in this year 2018. And later I will show you all the prizes. And okay, now I show you where do I will plan to hang all the camera. Let me zoom in. This is, you can see, I really hang all my creation on my camera here. You see, and yeah, who you intend to send me your camera, I will add all those, hang all your creation on the rack here together with all my camera, and I just love it, and wish to receive some of your creation. Okay, and now I show you the price. Let me do some, turn back my camera here, so let me do adjust. Okay, and yes, okay, ready. Let's see here. Okay, let me do see. Okay, for the challenge, there will have 3 draws. For the challenge, because of the first drawing is for the 1 entries winner. That for the 1 entry is that just leave a comment and let me know your favorite of my cameras, and that one will all that will have 1 ticket, means 1 entries for the just leave a comment, so that will have the prize. And but because of I just want to show just my appreciations to all my supportive subbies, so I will have 3 gifts for this drawing. Okay, this hope you get what I mean. Okay, this is for the leave a comments winner, so I will pick 3 winners. So the prize is a lollipop otter. This is one of my kit in special sales kit, but different from the kit, slightly different, mostly There will have the this color theme in this mirror, like an aqua blue, and with this image, so you can use the lasers and the flower and decorate your lollipop mirror. So this is one of the pattern, the image. Another one is this in the fairy ladies. Okay, so most of the lasers will be the same, and this one is this. Okay, so 3 different image. So for the first draw, for one leave 1 comments entry, so I will pick 3 winner for those the drawing. So this is the prize. And the second one is you have to leave comments and make a camera, follow the tutorial, and just embellish your camera and do a video response. If you didn't do any video and don't have any video share on YouTube, you can post your project on your Facebook page. If you also didn't have any Facebook page, you send your pictures to me and I will post it for you. So the winner will have this prize here. This only have I will pick one winner for this drawing. So, and the winner will receive one of my kits. Is I don't pick the kit out, and I show you the thing I already made. Please hold, bear with me, and I will show you. I forget to bring it out, so let's wait. See. Please hold on a second. Okay. Okay. For the winner, you will receive this kit. Okay, this is all. You can use all these items to make like a sewing machine loaded pocket. Okay, so yeah, this is one of my monthly kit, and I make an extra for the challenge. So yeah, because I already plan to make this challenge. I do this challenge quite a while, but just have no time. So yeah, wait until my birthday month so I can do it. So yeah, so for this winners, you will receive this kit and one of my handmade other box. And I will not. Never mind. I will show you. Okay, but just not want to give a surprise for the winner. Anyway, I'll show you. I altered this box in the vintage style, believe, dream, and joy, and cover. And inside it has many blanks, filigrees, and also I include this one of my handmade embellishment. This is also one of my kits in my group, and I also handmade this. So yeah, I will include these two items into this goodies box. Okay, so for these winners, you will receive this kit and this one of my handmade. So yeah, I will draw one winner out for the second drawing. Yeah, you have to do a video response or just do the camera box, post a pictures, or yeah. And if you both you also didn't do any video, or you didn't have any Facebook page, so you have to email me your project pictures, and I will help you to post it in my Facebook page. So you will get this prize here, one of my sewing machine loaded pocket kit and one of my handmade vintage box. Okay, this is for the second draw. And the last but not least, this is the big prize for the winner who will send the camera to me. They will get 6 entries and more chances to win. So yeah, you have also leave a comments into my giveaway challenge video, and also you have to do a video response or post your pictures on your Facebook page and tag me, my name, and you send your camera to me. So you will get this prize. There will have 2 prizes for you. The first one is one of my kits, and actually this already sold out, but I just have this tray left over. So I decide to make this as a kit, because see, this kit is also include one of the pin cushion, teapot pin cushion, and the teacup in the Marie Antoinette. This is also one of my monthly kit. Is the Let It Cakes with Marie. Okay, and all these items you can create with the cupcake, and this is the big cup on top to the how to say, the this is, yeah, this is the 3-tier kickstand. I believe I have the video to show you this kit, and I will put the link below the description box. And if you want to know how to assemble this, you have to join into my Facebook group, and there will have a video to show you how do I make this, how to assemble this one, and how is of course all my gorgeous, some of my gorgeous members, they have the project share using this kit in my Facebook page, Facebook Inspire Kit group. So yeah, you can join in, and yeah, who receive this kit, yeah, you have to join in, okay? And all this item is for how you use all this to decorate the kits. And this printed rose fabric, and I use this pattern that I print out from Pinterest, and I use this flower to create a fabric flower. And I do have a tutorial to show you how do I make this one. So yeah, I will pop the link below also. Who receives this kit, yeah, you have to check it out. And also, yeah, another prize is my handmade item. And you know, I'm busy and I just have no time to create, but I just want to just show my appreciation for all for those who take time to participate in my challenge. And I just create this into a kit. And the color theme, you can see, match with this 3-tier kickstand. And this is my doily bag, goodies bag. And I do have the tutorial to show you how do I create, but in the small. Let me to show you. Please hold on a second. Yeah, I have the tutorial to show you. This is the mini size one. Use the small doily, and this you can get this trim from my store, Etsy shop. Okay, if you want interested, this one. And so yeah, this is how I make the small one, and this one. And the first one I already sent to Jane. Yes, I remember. And Jane, yeah, she just loved to make this bag, doily bag, as a gift bag. And I so happy she can get inspired from my bag. And yeah, just love. Okay, and just this one, I make this one, okay, with the tassel. I think I have to add more tassel behind here, and I already forget. Anyway, I make this one. And yeah, the flower that I show you is this one that I mentioned just now. And I have the tutorial to show you how do I make this flower. And the flower is turned out like so, like a tattered shabby chic flower. Okay, all this is my handmade flower, and I create all this. And this applique like so, tangle, and the tassel, so make it very soft color. And for my tutorial, and also the one I sent to Jane is only 1 layer, but this one you can see I make it 3 compartment here. Okay, I layer how many doily? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there will have 3 pockets, and you can store many items here. And last time that one I sent to Jane, that one is I believe I remember I just put the flowers in. Also it's 1 layer, but this one I create in 3 layer. And show you some, just roughly, I send this all this pack everything nicely in the shabby chic color, soft color, and another. Okay, everything in the soft to match with this theme. This one, all this item you can get from my Etsy shop, all listed in the shop. Okay, and I ordered these 3 test tube and this is the big, I think this one is 100 ml size or 60. This one is the medium and this one is the small. I create with all this shabby chic fabric, and this all is my handmade flower, and inside I just put this one I forget to put something inside. I will put this just in case I forget, and this one just put some of the to that, and this one is the ribbon flower. So yeah, and this inside I show you, and layer fabric and the cardstock, so look more safe. This one I didn't cover with the fabric, and this both side covered with the fabric. Okay, so yeah, this is my gift bag daily, and I might be make this as a special sales kit in my group. Yeah, just leave me a comment and let me know if you are interested this bag, and I will list this in the special sales kit. Okay, so yeah, this is the bag. Forget to show you, and a layer with the this applique, another applique, and this is my my sign. Not my sign, how do you call this? My stamp is Sua sent me this stamp. Okay, she made this for me, and this one hang this here. So yeah, and all this is for the price for the, this is the big prize for the winner that who will send the camera to me. So yeah, you will get this gift bag and the 3-tier cake stand and pin cushion, the teapot pin cushion, and the teacup pocket. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, I really appreciate all the ladies that you taking your time to participate in this challenge. Yeah, the deadline is November 30th, so you have enough time to make your camera box, and I do have the tutorial to show you how do I make the box. Okay, so yeah, if you are interested to join in this challenge, so yeah, check out the, please check out the tutorial video, and I will also put the link for this video. Okay, and thanks again for everyone. And some more else what I want to say, nothing else I think, and yes, that's it. And thanks again for everyone. And this is the baby. Okay, so this not included in the gift, this is just a sample to show you, and this also is the sample. Okay, so yeah, thanks again for everyone, and bye bye, and best and good luck to everyone.